private home is a sanctuary where life's quiet moments bring comfort and renewal. It reflects your spirit, offering peace and inspiration every day. In Tangerang, Indonesia, DP+HS Architects designed the D+N2 House, a striking example of modern residential architecture. The project is an extension of an existing home, where the architects envisioned a modern cave aesthetic that harmonizes with the surrounding environment. The house is defined by its bold concrete and timber gate, which serves as both a welcoming entrance and a barrier, establishing a clear contrast between the solidity of the structure and the openness within. As you enter, the house reveals a carefully curated sequence of spaces that guide you through its interior, each area thoughtfully designed to maximize light, air, and movement. A large central void allows natural light to penetrate deep into the living spaces, creating an atmosphere that feels both expansive and intimate. The integration of a swimming pool and sauna further enhances the sense of retreat and relaxation, making the home a sanctuary from the bustling city life outside. The design of the D+N2 House emphasizes transparency and fluidity, with open spaces that encourage cross-ventilation and interaction with the outdoors. The materials chosen, including concrete and timber, are not just functional, but also contribute to the tactile and visual experience of the house. Every detail, from the layout to the finishes, is meticulously crafted to support the overall concept of a modern, comfortable dwelling that blurs the line between inside and outside. Ultimately, the D+N2 House stands as a testament to DP+HS Architects' ability to blend contemporary design with a deep respect for natural elements. The house is more than just a place to live. It is an immersive experience that engages the senses, offering a tranquil and refined living environment that remains deeply connected to its context.